Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to be talking about, is Whop legit or is it a scam? Now, let me start with the short answer. The short answer is it is legit. It's a real site. You can make money. If you clip podcasts, clip all sorts of things, you can generate income from it through these campaigns on this website. There is one caveat to this, and that caveat is the issue we're seeing when people are saying I'm not getting paid out. Now, some of it is just irrelevant, but the issue we're seeing is the core issue of it is that each person who owns their campaign has full veto power over whether they accept or reject like a clip. There's so many campaigns going on, there's so many clips going on, and the campaign owners can be very picky on whether they accept a clip or not. Now, and here is my issue with it, and I'll just say, first of all, I think Whop's a great platform to make money on. I think it's great, and I think it's a great idea. Now, the issue I have is, and this comes to whether it's legit or a scam. Now, it is legit, but there are situations you can get yourself into to where it appears as a scam. You're not getting the money for your clip. Now, first of all, you have to follow the rules and the criteria for the specified campaign. You can't just, that's the first thing you have to make sure you do, okay? Now, if you follow all the rules when you go to the campaign, okay, if you follow all the rules, that's step one. Step two is you need to upload the video, and after you upload the video, you need to post it in the campaign right after, okay? You can't wait or anything. Now, here comes the issue, okay? When you get paid out, it can even take a week. Basically, to even validate your video and pay you out, it can take a week. They can take as long as they want. And so the issue comes is if they hit the threshold on their, the amount the campaign has. So if it's like $5,000 and you turn your video in at $3,000 and it hits $5,000 like a week later, but you still haven't gotten the review, that's where the issue comes from, right? So it's not whether it's a scam or it's legit, but within the campaign, is there shady stuff going on, or is it, how reliable can these campaigns be? So first thing I would look for before going into a campaign, I'd look at the stars. Now, each campaign has a certain amount of stars, and look for the higher the stars, the more trustworthy it is. Now, second thing to look for is if you click on a campaign and you join it, you can actually look into the chat, and it will show you basically active messages that are going through the chat. And so a lot of these chats, if they're a scam or the campaign's being kind of shady, in the chat they'll be like, okay, I'm getting scammed, give me my money, etc. Right? If you go into a campaign and you see people chatting and they're like, I got the money, this is great, bada boom, then you can trust it, okay? So that's the first thing. Don't just trust the platform as a whole, because campaign owners have a lot of control over whether they pay you or what criteria or how picky they are, right? So if you follow all the criteria, turn your video in right away, that's all there is to it, right? And so just be careful there is enough budget left into the campaign where if it takes a little time, that it won't reach its limit too quick. And now another thing is, guys, this is where it comes to you guys, and it's your job to make sure, besides turning it in and making sure to upload and all that, right, and following the criteria, it's your job to promote the video and get the views on it. Now, I've seen a lot of comments that are like, Whop is a scam, I'm not making any money, but I'm looking and they're getting no views on their video, right? And so that's when it comes to you. You are the ones that are supposed to generate the views, SEO the video, and do all, and edit it well so it gets good views. That is not up to the campaign owner. If you're not making a lot of money off just not getting enough views, that's on you. And I don't like when I see comments like this, because it's discrediting the service, not for something they have control of, but for your job and what you're supposed to do. So that's where it comes to that's where it comes to what you're supposed to do. Now, I've made money off Whop. I know a lot of people have made money off Whop, so it is trusted and it works, but I know that it can be a little tricky, and I have gotten rejected on some of the clips I've turned in. It does happen, and sometimes you miss the budget or whatever, right? So there is situations where this can happen, but overall, Whop isn't a scam. You just have to be smart and careful. And so I do have a guide on my channel that kind of walks you through on what to look for in a campaign and how to get started and how to basically make money fast on Whop. But obviously you have to be smart. You have to be smart about all this stuff, and just be careful when you click on a certain campaign and join it, that it's legitimate, it's trust, you can trust the campaign and all that. So that's what I would just look for. Just be careful when you're looking at these campaigns. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and if you have any questions in the comments on, anything about Whop or just the video in general, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer everyone. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one.